What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Setti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you are trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, as well as checking out my Guardian node if you're trying to stake your Theta tokens, or my Elite Edge node if you're trying to stake your T-Fuel. Help out my channel, help out the Theta community, but overall help yourselves out, earn T-Fuel as much as passively as possible, and then you can utilize it however you want on the subchains, on the Elite Edge nodes to restake, or on anything on Theta Drop and Open Theta. We will go on the current price of Theta. I'm still trying to figure out the schedule for how I want to make these videos. I have heard or listed some comments or seen some comments that people aren't too happy about the videos being pre-recorded too much ahead of time, especially about a week out or so. I know it works out with my schedule just because I do have a full-time job other than YouTube, but put some thoughts and comments down below for those who are returning to the videos. If you do like the updates constantly, I know some of the updates may be a couple of days later than when these are posted, things like that. Or would you rather have the current schedule, just to make a quick poll, would you rather have the current schedule Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and some of the videos are pre-recorded a few days up to a week up in advance? Or would you rather have 2 days? I'm thinking kind of like Monday and Friday kind of schedule, and sometimes a Wednesday kind of feel. So I'll try to, it'll be easier for me to schedule videos that way. So it'll probably be a day or two in advance. So for example, for a Monday video, I'll probably record on like either a Friday or Saturday, possibly a Sunday, depending on what news is out there. And then for Friday, I'll probably record on either on a Wednesday or Thursday, and then release the videos accordingly. So primarily, would you rather have a Monday, Wednesday, Friday video where they're pre-recorded a few days, more than like 2-3 days out in advance, or would you rather have a Monday and Friday and they're just pre-recorded like a day or two in advance? Put some thoughts and comments there, guys. It helps out the channel, helps out you guys to get the most recent updates. So that's enough of that type of poll. Going on to the Explorer page right now, we'll keep it at the current schedule. We'll start off with the current price of Theta and then move on to the news. So today it is March 22nd of 2024. The current price of Theta is at that $2.96 mark, T-Fuel at that 7-cent mark, as well as T-Drop at that 0.0047 mark. We shall see where the end of March will take us to Q1 of 2024. I'm really excited. There's going to be a lot of updates, especially in this video more specifically, and I really can't wait to get to that type of news. So we'll start on here, Crazy for Crypto, seeing that the Nvidia AI conference begins next week. This was posted on March 14th of 2024, so I believe it already should have happened or is happening. Theta will be mentioned. If you know, you dang well know. There are two images here. Starting off with this one, we're going to see AI coins to watch as Nvidia conference begins next week. As Nvidia GTC looming discovered the potential investment opportunities in AI coins such as Near, Injective, Theta, Fetch AI, and Arkham. Going on to the second image, seeing here that number 3 is Theta Network. Theta Network priced at $3.39 in the making of this post, maintains a steady trading volume of 114 million. With a circulating supply of 1 billion Theta, its potential for future growth is bolstered by its recent performance and the innovative solution it offers within the realm of AI integrated projects. So this is just going to be so exciting, especially with this update that is a part of Theta, especially with Nvidia. Going on to this next post, to all Theta Network Edge nodes on Windows, please update your system to support Nvidia Cuda, optimizing for 3D rendering AI video, and coming soon. Going on to the Theta Network post, in the coming weeks, Theta Edge nodes for Windows will be updated to support Cuda, Nvidia's parallel computing platform for API model. Follow this guide updating your Nvidia drivers and installing the Cuda software for your Theta Edge node. So for those in terms of speculation and those who are not too tech savvy as to how you can find out if your computer is available for this type of upgrade, I'll show you guys this article because it kind of gives you a nice easy how to download, how to discover if your computer is able to be updated. And just a reminder that all the links down below are in the description for all the links that I post in this video. So continuing on with this article, we're going to see this was posted about on March 21st of 2024. The Theta Edge Cloud maximizing GPU performance for AI with Nvidia and Cuda. So the first few couple of paragraphs are just the reasoning as to how this update is going to affect the whole ecosystem for Theta and the purpose behind it. Like I just said, as Theta steadily marches towards the initial release of Edge Cloud on May 1st of 2024, Theta Edge Network serves as the underlying foundation for the entire platform. Today, the 10,000 plus globally distributed nodes largely run on Windows PCs and laptops in addition to Mac, Linux operating systems. In the dynamic world of GPU computing on Windows platform, Nvidia's Cuda technology plays a pivotal role in enhancing the power of GPU, boost computational performance. Cuda is a parallel computing platform and application programming interface model that allows software and developers to use Nvidia GPUs for general purpose processing tasks beyond just graphics rendering. It is ideally suited for parallel computing tasks like scientific simulations, data analysis and AI machine learning, and applications that involve large-scale data processing and complex mathematical computations. The ability to fully harness the power of desktop and laptop GPUs is an important step towards establishing Theta Edge Cloud as a leading hybrid cloud distributed AI computing platform. In the next few weeks, Theta Edge nodes for Windows will be updated to support Cuda. In the meantime, we ask the Theta community to install the necessary Cuda software prior to this upcoming release. In the future, Cuda-enabled Edge nodes will also be rewarded with this bonus T-Fuel and other TNT20 tokens. Following is a step-by-step guide to updating Nvidia drivers and installing the Cuda software on the Windows machines. Here is number 1. Confirm your Windows Edge node has an Nvidia GPU that supports Cuda. You can click on this hyperlink. So going back onto what we just read, I don't know how much the bonus T-Fuel will incur as well as other TNT20 tokens. It doesn't say as of yet. This May 1st is coming very soon, in less than 40 days. It's coming in the next month when this video is going to be released. So it's hard to say as to what other bonuses are going to be rewarded for those, but it's just something to look forward to, especially if you have the capabilities of a computer. And I'm really looking forward to these type of bonuses and all these news I'm able to share with you guys. So if you haven't yet, please hit that like and subscribe button and put some thoughts and comments down below. It's probably going to be a little bit of a longer video than normal, but I'm more excited to have all this information for you guys. Scrolling down a little bit more, so here is just a little bit of an image as to how you can find if your Cuda enabled GeForce and Titan products, so seeing if your GPU supports Cuda. So this is the update. So going on to number 2 right here, be sure to have one of the following Microsoft Windows operating systems. You have Microsoft 11 and 10, and then also looks at Microsoft Windows servers of 2022. It says update your Nvidia drivers to the latest version, open your GeForce Experience application to install and update the latest drivers, or visit Nvidia here to download GeForce. Download the Cuda software toolkit from Nvidia's official website, for example, for Windows 11 machine. So here, for example, you operating system, you pick which one you have, the architecture, the version of Windows that you have, and the installer type. And here's a bit of an example just to download. Scrolling down a little bit more, double click the Cuda Windows application to install Cuda, and then you'll just see the software agreement license that everyone reads, of course. And then number 6 is download and install Microsoft Visual Studio for free here, as some Cuda toolkit components needed to work properly. And then step number 7 is a congratulations to you guys. Your Windows machine should now be Cuda ready and GPU optimized for Theta Edge node and Edge Cloud. The Edge node software will now utilize your GPU for computation wherever possible. And then that's the entirety of this how-to guide. And it's just something to look forward to. It's so exciting for Nvidia, one of the biggest corporations that's been doing very well in terms of stock pricing and market because of technology advancing. So that's what I mentioned earlier in previous videos, especially for the last year. There's always these new type of updates for life or upgrades in general. If you think about the 90s, you have like Netflix, Amazon, Google, and then now you in the earlier 2010s and things like that, you have all these social media apps and things like that. And now we have the backbone for the future of Web3. That's where I believe Theta's purpose is coming in, and I'm really looking forward to hopefully this is coming true, because that's the reason why I'm doing these videos. That's the reason why you guys are watching, and I'm just hoping that this all pans out the way that we want it to, and it really sounds like it is. People are staking to my Edge nodes and Guardian nodes. I'm almost at that 500,000 T-Fuel for my Edge nodes, so if you want to stake and be part of that community, you're more than welcome to. And same thing with the Guardian node, is doing very well as well, I should say. Continuing on to some fun notes that I do want to just bring up. Pattern integrity seen. If you bought a process supporter, producer, or executive producer badge from their Theta drop collection. Time is running out. Redeem your Film 3 credit to get your name listed in every episode of the first season of the process. So if you were a supporter of these type of NFT, redeem it, and then you can incorporate your your name or username however you like to be addressed under their first season of shows or movies. Going on the Pog now scene here, would you at Rolex? I don't know if this is true or not. I just thought it was just kind of funny. Pog was just posting this. I saw the Rolex, and then you can see the Theta logo down here in the bottom. You see other logos as well down here as the bottom. Don't know if this is a true or just something for fun. I'm assuming it's for fun, so I can't really say for sure, but it was just something fun to see and just show to you guys as much as possible, just showcasing Theta Network. So that, we'll see if this comes true or not. I'm not too sure. I don't think it's real. It's just something that's just fun to incorporate. Going on to here, Lavita is making strides toward the launch of the Lavita platform, an announcement that's around the corner. In the meantime, we're excited to share new rewards for elite edge nodes on Theta Network. Now, elite edge nodes can now earn between 1.8 to 2.2 Lavita per job, depending on the GPU specs. Don't miss the opportunity to start earning now. Download Edge Node app here. So based on my type of edge node, and maybe because of my GPU specs, the reason why I'm not earning as much Lavita, but I'm not entirely too sure. Maybe it's because people are saying it's because of the amount of space that are available on my computer. That could be another reason, but I'm earning T-Fuel, a lot of T-Fuel, or at least like a relatively healthy amount, about roughly 50-ish per month, roughly T-Fuel. So definitely put some thoughts and comment down below on how much T-Fuel you're earning monthly, and we shall see how much more type of TNT20 tokens that is going to be incorporated onto the edge node. Is just something more to look forward to. Ending this video on a last note here, FedML's recent advances in federated learning of 2023 to 2024. As a pioneer in the field of federated learning, FedML initially focused on AI platform dedicated to federated learning. Over time, it evolved into a comprehensive generative AI platform at scale. While making this transformation, we still kept making strong progress and achieving significant milestones in the federated learning domain. In this post, we'll reflect on the perspectives regarding federated learning within the generative AI landscape and recap the strides we made over the previous year. So this is a little bit blog of their progress. So if you do want to take a little bit of an image right here, take a quick pause, and if you're able to understand it more than myself and comprehend the type of progress, you're more than welcome to take a pause. There's also a hyperlink right here for the article itself, but that's all I just want to present to you guys for these type of updates for this video specifically, so it doesn't drag on for too long. But that's all I really have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for coming back, especially if you're an OG viewer and subscriber. I appreciate your support and really coming back to the channel. If you're a new viewer trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links that I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you are trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, guys. In addition to my elite edge node if you're trying to stake your T-Fuel, or my Guardian node if you're trying to stake your Theta tokens. Either way, help out my channel, help out the Theta community, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much T-Fuel as passively as possible. Utilize it on the subchains, Theta Drop, Open Theta, or any other way you like to utilize it, or restaking those type of T-Fuel tokens back onto the edge node and then just earn more passively that way. And then, like I said earlier in the beginning of this video, put some thoughts and comments on how you like this YouTube video to be scheduled. So the options were I continue with my Monday, Wednesday, Friday post, but sometimes the videos are pre-recorded more than 5 days in advance, especially when it comes to those type of schedules, because I do work full time. Or the other option is I'll post twice a week, Monday, Friday, ideally, sometimes a Wednesday, depending on how much news is coming out. But those videos are pre-recorded maybe a day or two at most in advance, just so it lets me record it and edit accordingly. We'll see how this whole channel setup and schedule goes, just because the reason why I was doing so much is the goal was to get monetized now on YouTube. Now I feel like the goal is to provide as much updates effectively and efficiently as possible, but without losing any more subscribers. So just so it's for your guys' benefit, put some thoughts and comments down below on how you like the schedule to be released in the near future. But as of right now, we're going to continue to 3 days a week until I see any other type of mentions or comments. But until the next video, guys, until the next data update, it is your boy Justin Bassetti. So try to keep up. All right, deuces.